Okay. Akpọrọ gị dị ọrụ.
Akpọrọ m dị ọrụ agba onye man nọ na other building man. Akpọrọ m ọrụ. Ịghọta. What's your me? Can I now no slate? Take one slate. Mama bewa. No ask them. Na happen was the car. They still raw. Na hate maybe the men or na streets. Na him. Na pose ni wata. I'm gonna know more gambara. I'm not about every morning. I'm like 7K. When I do my makeup and my dummy, my teddy bear, was there more? I met them. I never they prepared for work, but kangaroo door can we go? Nana go so on behalf of I wasn't angry because I was not really set for work now. So I was like, let me come to the street because I can build now.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Even people now this is about like 4 places. So I was like, my favorite guy show him love. That was when I saw it, I was happy.
Okay.
Just for tips, you understand? But that was when I'm on the streets. Even my marketer don't check on me yesterday. You see, I'm not one. I'm more in so I don't need marketer love. So I'm really. If I don't come out here yesterday, sir.
What you man? Because we don't know why you're about. I am Krista. We so Rosebia. When I be a paranga, I am. If you know me, call God.
Me from here, got from no law.
The money lower.
Now me be a damn. My popsy leave that building for me before I buy. I'm going to do never longer. Even 100 years today, I go there flex. Go up Rokota. Now my house I go. Now I never get transport. So flex I'm now go hit up with you now. But I'm not follow na convoy.
No, you don't go follow our convoy.
Yeah.
Now you and your man go talk as and I go take you there. Because him get where in they go.
Now this imo transport now come now. Now for next about my people, I never buy any gifts. Now from there I buy any gifts. My daughter, I said I need to share girl. My papa check on me yesterday here. My papa not buy in the next 2 weeks. My papa go here give me money, ma come out. Now at the way before I can see you now. I feel so good. Like I will soon get it. I'm not going to no one can.
Okay. Mana kaya karo de kita.
I'm fine. If I'm not feeling good, I can see a doctor now. Let me just get to the house first.
You look good, no? Okay. Kemo ti ya like ya, maka ma like you go tell you moto.
Oh.
Omu yang gwa gin na me bero. Yeah.
So I don't know.
Ngwa ga na ya kole olodi na nwunye ka. Eh?
No, but I will go and check online. Any American spare. And then when I motor, I'm going to go in the next 15 minutes. I'll put a belly in water.
I swear, I'm not right. But so much about Fadalo. No.
Dalo, no.
Thank you for reaching out to me.
I'm blushing, oh.
If you come about Suana address, some cables will be this fine girl. When you my I will not believe. Enter na emu ala lo mo mo ne ka ya mo ise okay mo ko ne wa yo ne
I don't know but say now if it be mo ko 2 1 3
o ka chukwu na enye nwa you want to go ngwa see Lord Zeus family ekene go anu me ekene
oh babes all this
yeah
let me just get myself to place.
Okay, just say Lord Zeus
maybe
family
in the car I actually buy phone for Bobo. I go use and do Snapchat.
I sent it.
Then I sent the message.
Just say Lord Zeus
family. No, I don't send anything anyhow. I can send so I beg.
Okay, stag.
Yeah, I beg.
Yes. But Lord Zeus ba fam.
I know I will do that on like say I'm at the give shout out to Zeus. Maybe just.
Okay, randomly.
Yeah, no, I can't do that.
Okay, you want to officially give the shout out?
That kind of thing. It's insane. I'm waiting anymore.
But it's something is your man.
No,
something.
I know fit. This is what I do self. Because saying them. I know fit. Oh boy, I know fit though. I know fit.
Very expensive.
I know fit. I know fit. Yeah, I know fit. How about you?
But sorry.
Oh, it's my hard earned money now. Now for you. I know fit.
Okay. Any day maybe I bone be a make go gauge. So me anya gi ego now. Iye ji job ogologo je go te phone. Go ta aqua. Go te hair.
Ehun hala nti mo re ga say is this me?
So I be awa ba echi.
It's a nino niru. But just tomorrow, because I may just take time.
No, Tata
it's tomorrow that I'll come back. You know, me and people day before you came. So it's tomorrow that I'll come back, definitely. So anytime from tomorrow, you can come and...
I need to go to Mtija, but one is London. Can we take go? Can I go?
Anytime from tomorrow, you go. But this time tomorrow, they are back.
See what they go there go and Kaguta. I need to Mtija back at time. I'm Major London.
I've had.
It's except when I have a passport.
Okay.
You will tell me one.
I'm going to bring the cap. Let me...
Naleano Tabilu. Go feel the choir Malukwan able one.
Oh, you see? Tawana, Tawa.
Obi-Wan, also by get Tawana. It's your pump tower. Okay, enough. More busy your baby. Eh?
This thing is right on you.
Okay, I should not remove it.
No, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
This one, anytime you want to do big things, right?
Okay. What? Yeah, dear man. Go there.
If I got 100,000.
Go there first.
Friends.
20,000. Then, may see your brother. May Meliama transfer. I can do POS and how much cash. Then, may Meliama transfer 200,000. You want to go? Then, can you have it? So, Ziaja withdraw yana. Withdraw yana. I'm going to transfer.
If you go there last
I the 200,000.
Why they bring always and for Bogo now? Then
That was Sunday. Young Wagiki game. And I'm in the that was Sunday. ML 200,000. My candy POS and how much cash. And I'm in the get then Guinea Solu now. Eh? Jabe Obo Abba Osioma Achom Kojana Fiabo test, you go to original hair. And the fees, Achom Kifis.
This is not what we talk. If you want to give me money for transport to come back, fine. That all him normal. I don't know you before.
Yes.
I'm good with this. But if talking about expensive shit, I can just manage 100,000 naira. I'm going to go. Then by tomorrow I'm in the house. But if it's normal fare, where after that day, where I won't go shoot, where I'm okay, I'm dressed. Before tomorrow I'll come back to our house. Is it not? I don't need 20,000 naira. What am I going to do? Calm down.
This one now your pocket, then say make you hold on for hand.
Pocket money.
No be money where you want use buy something. Then forgive you enough cash, but these people no get enough cash. So then say them don't transfer the money to your account. You go now withdraw for where then go see enough money give you. You understand now?
I don't hear.
Going together, right?
Yo, well, you carry me come here. Then go your way if I'm through, I'll come back.
Ada.
I don't even going to go about 20,000 naira.
What's in heaven account?
What's your problem? Are you stupid? You want me to point it on you? But that's not the plan. The plan is to give me 100k and give this environment. I will come to you now. This is no, I'm not the money now. Come on. I go by shopping. I'm going to tell you, no. Put me off on my working zone. Now instead of fake wig and fake dress. No, I begged him for money as a beggar where I be. I don't know. I will not go to the men with another. I understand. I say flex my skin wife or wife to be. Give me the 100,000. Let me go to Bogologa and buy it. Then use the government for cab. Why do you change your mind now?
No, it's not
excuse me, please. Fuck off.
See, the money is here now.
Give me the
money. Let me do what I want to do. That is, you're interested. If you're not interested, you let me be.
Come on, it was.
Come on.
Come
on. I never seen 100,000 before.
Oh, my God, make cash.
I don't even think 10,000 is how much. I lost my dad. I'm too young to lose my dad. I'll go back to the house. I'll enter. I'm going to marry me. I'll go your way. I'm a poor girl. Somebody help me. You understand? Don't tease me. Don't tease me. You go your way, please. Do you know this before? Oh, yeah, I'm I don't know. I'm not before. If
Christian,
if it's expensive, he has not come to it.
Of 100,000.
Pay me, please.
Usually they go 100,000. You want tala?
Imagine, you and who? Muna gemba, muna bagim go show you that.
Usually.
If you think you're too much, they will still do another one for me. You go to where you want to go to.
Sorry.
This isn't like people were I'm a star. People were at my back.
And you know that you're a star girl.
Nobody knows how to come out here. You hate me. If I have doctorate to Godzemu, anytime my haters betray me, I should come back here and stay. You didn't hear me?
Okay, your husband to be kiss you now.
Excuse me, please.
Ina agwazi mo na
I
o ya na mo kina iso na agwaba mo ku keta na no beloga no no si aga no o ya bu ni kana amaso mo obo no.
It is my 10 years of begging and sleeping in the streets. You make mo to re again laba. I'm going for some mama money. You gonna have that first before my acknowledge. I'm in the Pacific City. Now nature I'm there. If not I will tell you I'm a star. I don't have to go to my family. That's my concept. Could you understand? What is this problem? I'm a more young. Hence, I never go to another boy on a phone. I bought the man a phone, I buy him, but when kids are 20,000 naira. And I'm going to the every day. Every person I spend 10,000 naira. I'm not that we want to that we could that good now. I'm my name. I will have almost you know something that brought up to it. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do that week. If you am the mother, I'm sorry, my family, my house, I left them unkept. I want to go. Only about my roof, but I'm about to say more. Na latching, not choosing. Senior system, ole hem remedy. See, I know Sister Destiny. Just okay. Okay, I'll give me money for transport. Same day, there's a those street boys. I go 2 hours so. I got to have police safe. Street boys good ones. I go 2 hours. I left the place. You understand? I now went to call police for them. Said that it's not that there's good. So I couldn't collect money from my organ. I said, I'm never going to and she only going to change in Bamoto. And I'm not going to go. Oh, to her, and motor number. If you are, I want you. Oh, no, I will be nice. I want to go in and carry and I'm only before. Eh, I made by sitting morning 100 and I get my shopping bag accident and I don't know more and more. One, that's what I'm going to listen 10 years. Okay, man, I Sunday. Uncle Hapo Biko. Apo. More than social. I'm not Uncle, that is not it. Calm down. I'm not a baby. I'm 33. I thought I'm the one that needs a husband first. Don't leave me alone. I told you what I would do. If I go to the market, I flex, buy phone, go transport, take job, come back as a big girl. You probably have my spouse. And I'm saying, what will I do to 10,000 naira? Maggie.
Man, and then what cash?
Yeah,
here they about 50,000.
I got another one nigga 10,000 naira.
100,000.
What about the change? Leave me alone. I don't mind 13 husband. I'm not going to do it. So if it's not 100K, you go. You go your way.
Man, I need 100,000.
I need one. I hear things are expensive. That's about 10 years in the Nazor. I'm getting on here and I'm just going to see.
Man, I need 100,000.
I need getting more than money. So they're going to want to.
I think I'm going to give you 100,000. In again,
I'm not interested. Go. I'm not interested. Go. Thank you.
When you get a motor and you jababa. Can you 100,000?
I will take transport.
Now back and chuck you go here. I will go make you have Sunday. I will take cab, not be you carry me come. I don't know you, not be you carry me come. On a matter one day.
Not be you carry me come. You don't go my house, go call them now. Do I know you before? I told you I'm coming back to the house, so I'm not gonna follow you. I'll come back to my house before 2 hours time.
Can you 100,000?
I want to buy
I'm not your friend. Not that forgetting now. Please. Now, since I'm done and take you, can I take on you? Please. I'm not trying. Go your way. No, don't put mouth in my matter. I said no.
calm her down. Calm her down.
Uncle, I said,
Calm her down.
I don't understand.
Calm her
Please,
down.
somebody should go 519 for me. I beg, oh.
Calm her down. Eh?
Come on, look, what I'm here. Come on, down. Everything
Yeah,
is
but
fine.
this is what's it called? This is somebody that I just met. He said he wants to help me. I told you what I need. I will come back home. I'm